To make super low carb chocolate donuts for those that are carb intolerant, I'm going to super thoroughly mix my dry ingredients, and we're going to do this so it is super blended, especially with the baking powder to be evenly distributed. And you see my cocoa has like these lumps. So I'm going to mix this for a while until it's good mixed. And what it is, it's a half a cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of a stevia granules for baking or stevia blend, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so this is thoroughly mixed. Now that it's thoroughly mixed, I'm going to add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, and I guess if you're not dairy intolerant, you can add butter, and then 2 tablespoons of milk cream or almond milk. So I can't have dairy, my husband is carb intolerant, so I'm going to use almond milk and I'm going to use oil. So I'm going to mix this up real good. Now, I'm not going to lie and say these taste like Krispy Kremes, but they're a good snack. And it helps you take care of that chocolate craving. I think that's pretty good. I have a silicone donut mold, and I have taken just a paper towel with olive oil and coated the insides. I've tried using like Pam, and I just didn't like how it worked out. I think it seems like it runs down the sides and pools in the middle and makes the tops of the donuts strange. So I'm just going to spoon like 2 spoonfuls, 1 on each side. I'm going to do my best to divide up the mix into all 6 molds. And then I'm going to microwave it for 60 to 90 seconds. I'm a little paranoid since there's an egg in here, so I do 90. Okay, it's in the microwave. I'm going to let it sit there for a minute because I want the mixture to be totally flat on top. There's my donuts. You can make sure toothpick comes out clean. Now I'm going to let them cool and just gently get them out of the mold. And if you want, you can mix up like a stevia cocoa mix and put it on top, or just eat them plain with coffee or tea in the morning. These have been cooling a few minutes. I'm going to see if I can just tip them over, see if they'll come out. There's one. You can sort of push up on the center stem. That seems to give them some encouragement. Just a tad, just push up a little bit. That one came out by itself. There we go. Now again, like I said, you can make up a glaze and put on them, or if you're not adverse to sugar alcohol, Hershey's makes a sugar-free chocolate syrup, 3 carbs per serving. You can just put like a little drizzle line. You can mix up a chocolate glaze and brush them on the top, or if you're not adverse to sugar alcohol, Hershey does make a sugar-free chocolate. It's made with stevia, and I believe the net carbs are like 1 for a tablespoon, so I'm not going to even put a whole tablespoon on each one. I'm just brushing the tops, and I'll put them in, dabbing the tops, putting it in the fridge to let it set, and then we'll be good to go. Finished product, I'm just going to store it in a Rubbermaid container with a lid in the refrigerator. I hope this is helpful to get you started. Thank you.